Hello, statistics students. Welcome to the second video. If you're watching this video first, close it down, go watch the other video first. This is the second one. This is the one, this is Mr. Heron again. I'm wanting to introduce you to the co-requisite part of this course. So I want to make this clear. I know this can be confusing. You've signed up for a course which is like two courses in one. It's the 4-unit Stat C1000 statistics course. And then there's this Math 211s, which is support for stats. It's basically extra help, is what it is. So it's 2 units of extra help. You're going to get a grade from both courses. You're going to have both, Canvas places to go in Canvas. You're going to have assignments from both courses. And this course, the Math 211s, this is like it says right here, the co-requisite support. So it's basically it's going to be a lot easier. It's going to be things like decimals and fractions and just bringing you up to pace in case you're a little rusty on some of those kind of things. How do you read a graph? How do you round numbers? A lot of basic things like that that'll help you do better in the main Stats C1000 course. So that's the purpose of this, is we want to give you some extra help. So again, there's two courses. There's the Stats C1000. That's your main course. And then there's this Math 211s, which is support. It's called the co-requisite support. So it's going to help you out. Now, you're going to get a grade from both classes, but the grade from your co-requisite is just going to be pass-fail. And this class is going to be pretty darn easy. It'll be really easy. Now, the main stats isn't super easy. That one, you're going to get the stats C1000, you're going to get an A, B, C, D, or F from that class. Going to have 9 exams and lots of homework. But this little co-requisite, this will be a piece of cake. It's just pass or fail, credit, no credit. And all you got to do is get 70% or better to pass it. And it's just going to be some really simple assignments, just reviewing for you how to do, like I said, decimals and rounding and graphs and things like that. Let me show you. Let me show you a couple of them. Oh, here's a calendar, by the way, if you want to click on the calendar. Same calendar that was in the other course, shows everything. We're looking at the COR for this course. The COR means co-requisite assignments. See those little CORs, the blue CORs? Those are the co-requisite assignments. You can see those are a lot less than the other assignments that are in the main Stat C1000 course. So anyway, we have all the same stuff on the home page. Let me go to the assignments and just show you what one of them looks like. So the first couple assignments are like study skills, just like, just to help you think about how do you study for a math class. You got to put in, they're basically going to say you got to put in a lot of time. You got to be doing it every day. Let me come on down to 2.1. I think that one's due by Wednesday or something like that. So here's what you do. Click start and see it's giving you like some decimal. Here's a decimal, 2.223. Which one's in the tens place, hundreds place, ones place, hundreds, and if you don't know that, you click on a video. Oh, by the way, there's also videos up here. Yeah, there's some videos on the bottom for this co-requisite support, but sometimes there's not. There's always videos at the top. Let me show you. Yeah, let me just jump around. Here we go. See how this one doesn't have a video at the bottom, but you can use the videos on the top. We're saying, oh, how do you round that to 4 decimal places? Let me see. Does that mean 1, 2? Do you remember that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it says round to 1 decimal place. Now it's 2 decimal places. Do you remember all that rounding stuff? If you don't know, click on the videos here. And there's a whole bunch of videos. There's one about rounding. Now, these videos are not mine. My videos are the ones that are at the bottom of the problems in the main course. Well, there's an ad. We don't want to see an ad right now. But anyway, you can click on this. So there's videos at the top. So in this co-requisite support class, there's always videos at the top to help you with these. You have infinite tries. So if you get one of these wrong, like 6.4, say, is that it? No. So, oh, okay. And then what if I go 3.2 and 3.5? Those right? No. Gotta change them all. So I'll just add a 1 to the back of all of them. And 2, no, 2 strikes. Okay, add another one. 3 strikes, I'm out. There, the answer keys appear. There's the real answers. And then you say, oh, okay. You can go back and watch a video, learn how to do it. You say, give me a new one. And it'll change the numbers. So you have infinite tries. You have infinite tries, just practicing decimals and fractions and those kind of things, just to make sure you're good with that. So when you're in the main Stat C1000 course and you run into decimals, you know how to deal with them, right? So that's what this is. This course is support for stats. Some basic things. You'll find it pretty easy. And it's just going to be good just to strengthen your ability to read graphs and round decimals and deal with fractions and things like that. So and you just, again, this course, you'll just get pass or fail. You just got to get 70% or better, and you're good for the co-requisite support for stats course. So that's different than the main Stats C1000 course, the 4 unit. This is only 2 units. The 4 unit main Stats C1000, you'll get a letter grade, A, B, C, D, or F. You have exams, and it's a lot harder. So anyway, that's this other course. Want to make sure that's clear for you. All right. I hope that's making sense. Feel free to. Here's my office hours again. Click on that. There's the times in my office, but also there's my cell number. Send me a text. Be glad to meet with you and chat and meet on Zoom. I can meet on Zoom and help you with anything that doesn't make sense. All right. Well, welcome again to the fall semester, and I will be seeing you online.